We have finished the first point from our agenda, and now we are going to our second point, and that is live demo. We will demonstrate just printing one purchase order via email. We will do it in two different scenarios, through CBD and through Docentric. In both cases, the documents are based on the same electronic reporting data model and model mapping configurations, but the format templates and the print destinations are different. In first scenario, we will print a report based on the CBD Excel template, and we will print it by using the electronic reporting email print destination. In second case, we will print a report based on the Docentric template, which we developed as an exact replica of purchase order CBD. We will then print it through the Docentric email print destination. For the demo, I will go into my development environment. I will first go into the print management for purchase order. Let's see what do we have here. Remember that slide with that white box telling us how this report format is deciding if you will be printing through CBD or through SSRS, and consequently also through the Docentric. So here I have my Excel format for CBD registered for this report. When I select it, everything else from print management will be ignored. Where will the print destination come from? Let's see it. You would go into your electronic reporting destinations. Then for this report, you would configure print destination. I have named it like this, CBD email. And here you have the settings. It is a kind of a new solution. Nice thing is that you have a possibility to, in parallel, enable all of them if you want to. That is, instead of creating original copy, etc. in print management, and that is nice. But the usability here is really clumsy. For example, you need to bind to some source. This body, I can't just type what I want. You open this formula, non-intuitive, but good job, at least you have it. That was really number one pain in SSRS print destinations. And look at this. I have configured that I want it sent to my business account, but how everything looks like, when you go here, you would see this none, and you would say, aha, I'm not printing to anyone. So really not so nice, but at least it works. With this email print destination selected, I'm going to one purchase order, and no matter which of these three ways of printing I select, I will get the same result as if I say use print management. So let's do that. D365 will go to print management, see that it has to use CBD format, and then based on that, he will use electronic reporting destination for that format. It creates the file here below, and it didn't inform me that the email was successfully sent. So let's go to my inbox. Here it is. It has just arrived. You can see by the timestamp that it has just appeared here. Let's open it. This was that body text that I created in the setup, and this is my attachment in Excel because, hey, everyone likes to send Excel files to their customers. Okay, let's do now the same thing, but through the Docentric. In the Docentric, here we specify the templates. Here is our SSRS replica for this report, and here below it is our CBD replica for purchase order. I will quickly download it if you're curious how it looks like. We made it to look like the Excel because this is how Excel template looks like. We tried to use the same design in our replica. Let's say that now we want to print by using our design. We need to go back to print management and say that we want to use SSRS format. By doing that and by selecting Docentric CBD replica as a default template, execution will go through Docentric, and that is the fourth path in one of the previous slides. And now everything configured in the print management print destination will be used. Let's quickly check. We have configured Docentric improved email destination. There are many options here, but let's see the most important ones. I used one real recipient instead of the email tokens just to have a simpler testing. Here are our placeholders, how the file will be named, in which format it will be. I can say also CC, BCC from, but we will skip that for now. I have this HTML editor for body, and I have a possibility to specify the additional attachments for this email. Here I configured that I want also terms and conditions from my legal entity to be attached. Now with this setting, I can say original preview, just to make sure that everything is okay with my document. But what I really wanted to do is to print through print management. First of all, I was nicely informed that the email was successfully sent. And if I check in my inbox, here it is. Let's open the email. Here is a body with placeholders correctly resolved. This is the report as a first attachment. And this is additional terms and conditions, really nice feature as well. That was our emailing demo, where we demonstrated sending CBD reports through electronic reporting email print destination versus sending Docentric CBD replica through Docentric enhanced email print destinations. As we could see, user experience and available features are, as usually, way better with Docentric than with standard.